Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Ben Daddy. Please don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Daddy. So this is a 2015 Audi Q3 2-liter. So I just did an oil service on this, oil change, an air filter, and a cabin filter. And I also pulled the wheels, rotated the tires, and checked the brakes. So right now I'm just taking it for a road test. Make sure that everything is running good. The wheels are on tight. And anyways, as you guys saw, the air filter is pretty easy to change. It's right there. One thing though, you need a torque set. You need a torque set because most of the bolts are torques. So yeah, but other than that, it's pretty simple. Oh, and I guess the oil filter, if you can have access to an oil filter wrench, it's better. This one was a little tight, so I had to use an oil filter wrench, which is the one I showed you. And also the cabin filter, which is down here, it's also pretty easy. There's two plastic clips that you sort of just twist out, and then you slide the cover for the cabin filter back, and then it should pop down. And then you just pull down the old cabin filter, and then it's a reverse removal procedure. So the new one you would have to push back up same way as you took the old one out. Yeah, other than that, guys, it's a fairly nice car. It's not as big as the Q5, but it's still pretty nice. Look, it's got dual sunroof, if you call that dual sunroof. It's leather, and it also has a reverse cam. This car's pretty nice, guys. Pretty nice. Heated seats, as you see right there, heated seats. So yeah, guys, I'm just taking it for a nice ride right now, and oh, Tesla, yeah, Tesla. Anyways, just taking it for a nice ride, and then I'll show you guys what this 2015 Audi Q3 looks like pretty soon. It's only got 34,767, so it's fairly new. Oh, another thing, to reset the service light, you need a scan tool. I couldn't show you guys that. I was busy, and then I didn't have time to record it. But yeah, you just plug in a scan tool and then go to service, and then just reset the service. Quattro. You guys are pretty familiar with this road test area. Let's see what this bad boy has. I'm gonna step on it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's got kick on it, but it's not as fast as the Q5. Well, thus it's the Q3, right? So it makes sense. But it's a smaller SUV, so it's a little bit better on gas. It's only got 4-cylinder instead of the 6. Okay, so here we are, guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys what this Q3 looks like. Audi Q3. There it is, guys. That's the Audi Q3 for you. You guys like it? Tell me what you guys think of it. It's got a fairly nice steering wheel as well. It's pretty small. Leather. It's fancy. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys the reverse cam here. Just pull up here for 1 second and pop this in reverse. And right there, bam, reverse cam. It's also Tiptronic, guys. Tiptronic. So let's say you wanted to put it on S for standard, and then there's a paddle shifter right here. So when you're driving, you just press up, up, up to shift. Here, I'll show you guys. So I'm first right now, and then you press this forward, then it would go second gear. Press it forward again, go to third, like that. And then to go minus, you'd have to do this side, right? See, I'm first, so now I gotta go. There you go. And you just put it back to drive if you don't want to do that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.